Donation Nation is a powerful philanthropic program which will have your group navigating through a series of engaging team activities leading up to the assembling of care packages. Working with a charity of your choice, items for the care packages will be chosen based on the specific needs of that organization. Recipient examples include homeless shelters, food banks, hospice, nursing homes, and other community and social service agencies. The process for building care packages will start with the formation of sub-teams who participate in a series of fun and challenging team activities. Through these challenges, the teams earn points which enable them to acquire the care package contents. A running scorecard is posted to increase the excitement and energy. A representative from the designated charity may surprise your group, speaking passionately about the goals of their organization and joining in for the final stages of the care package assembly. Your contribution may also include personal touches in the form of letters and messages written by your team to the recipients of the packages. Nothing brings a group together like a shared contribution to people in need. Your team will leave this event filled with a sense of accomplishment